Hi, this is Raxel and welcome back to my channel. And if you are new to this channel, I upload video on the base of custom ROM review, custom ROM flashing for your Redmi K20 Pro. And if you enjoy watching content like that, then please consider subscribing the channel. Okay, to install this custom ROM, you need to install Orange Fox Unofficial, the latest, right? Let's go and install the recovery first, right? This is the latest unofficial Orange Fox. Swipe to install, right? And once the installation is complete, this will automatically reboot into custom recovery, right? Okay, there you go. We just need to swipe to allow modification and then click the tick mark, right? Here is the ROM Kraken Android 12 and the Android 11 firmware, and I also have DFE for decrypted user. But if you are encrypted, then you don't need to flash disable force encryption, right? Now go to wipe and select Dalvik Cache System Vendor Data. Swipe to wipe. Okay, it's wipe complete now. Okay, now here you need to select Android 11 firmware first, then add to queue, then select Kraken Android 12 ROM. Right, now here you can swipe to install right now. If you are encrypted user, once this installation is complete, go to wipe and go to advanced wipe, then format your device, then reboot into system. Right, that's it. Okay, now flash DFE. Okay, it's done. Now just reboot into system. That's it. There you have the octopus logo of Kraken OS. Okay, speech services by Google keep stopping. Alright, that is not the big deal. Okay, let's see how much Geekbench score we get here. Okay, the single score is 738 and the multi score is 2525, right? Okay, now if we let's go to settings, about phone, Android, yeah, Android 12, and the security patch is 5th December 2022, and the kernel is Soviet Star, right? This is good for gaming, this kernel, right? And in Play Stores, and you get device is certified, right? This is good. And let's see the safety net. Let's see the safety net and DRM info. Okay, let's run the test. Safety net request failed. Let's try again. Let's try again. Let's try again. Run the test. Okay, so the safety net is failed here. right? So you will have problem while using your banking application. You won't be able to use banking application. And you get security level L1 wideband CDM. That is good. And you get quick step launcher here, and the monet is working fine. And here you see you get high brightness mode, DC dimming, caffeine, right? Right now I turn on the DC dimming here and it's working, right? It's working. And you get Google Fit on the left side in your home screen, right? Once it gets load, it is smooth, right? Not so bad, not so bad. Let's and the UI. The UI is not so fast, but not so bad. Okay, once it's open, it's fast, I guess. Okay. And in battery, you have sensor block bar package, block access to certain sensors for some apps to save battery, right? And I have enabled this one, right? And that's pretty much it for this video. And if you guys enjoy watching content like this, like custom ROM installation, custom ROM review for Redmi K20 Pro, then please consider subscribing the channel. That will help me a lot and it motivates me a lot to make such content. And peace out, take care.